myself Dr. Ghanshyam Jadhav, Assistant Professor in Chemistry. In continuation to our lecture series, today we are going to discuss about physical properties of carboxylic groups, order and the appearance or the state. Mostly aliphatic carboxylic acid, which are the lower aliphatic carboxylic acids, have an unpleasant small or order, while higher acids have particularly low volatility and hence they are orderless. Similarly, these lower aliphatic carboxylic acids are liquid and they are colorless, while the higher acids are wax-like solids. Further, carboxylic acids are considered to be having a higher boiling points than respected aldehydes and ketones or even alcohol of same molecular mass. That means if I consider a particular carboxylic acid with molar mass 60 for example, so the carboxylic acid with molar mass 60 will have a higher boiling point than aldehyde, ketone or alcohol with same molecular mass, that is 60. The reason is because this molecule is associated with intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Intermolecular hydrogen bonding means formation of hydrogen bond between two different molecules, within two different molecules. On the other hand, intermolecular hydrogen bonding is hydrogen bonding within the molecule. Now, when there is a formation of hydrogen bond, more of the energy will be used to break this hydrogen bond. Hence, effectively carboxylic acid will have higher boiling point compared to same molar mass aldehyde and ketone. Further, this carboxylic acid exists in a form of dimer. That means two molecules are attached to the hydrogen bonding. Here you can see the form that is a dimer. Here one molecule number 1 is attached with molecule number 2, especially in vapor state or in an aprotic solvent where there is a strong hydrogen bonding. Further, the solubility of carboxylic acid in water is also dependent on hydrogen bonding. There is strong hydrogen bonding of carboxylic group with the H2O of water. Here you can see there is a formation of hydrogen bonding with every possible oxygen and hydrogen when a carboxylic acid is dissolved or mixed with water molecule. Hence, due to this strong hydrogen bonding, lower carboxylic acid are readily soluble in water. Now, what about higher carboxylic acid? Now, as you all know, there is an intermolecular hydrogen bonding between COOH group and H2O. This can be considered only for lower acids. For higher acids, as the alkane chain increases, there is increase in this alkane chain, that means higher acids. Due to this increased chain, there is increase in hydrophobicity. And we all know alkanes, that is carbon chain, is hydrophobic in nature. Hydrophobic in nature means water repelling. Now, due to this hydrophobic characteristic or water repelling characteristics, the acids which have longer chain length are not soluble or partial soluble in water. That means solubility decreases with increase in this carbon chain. Further, this will be readily soluble in various organic solvents. like benzene, ethyl benzene, xylene, etc. etc. These are the strong organic solvent in which this acid will be readily soluble because of this hydrophobic nature of this particular long chain. Now, these carboxylic acids are acidic in nature because it can donate a proton H+. H+ can be easily removed from this carboxylic acid, then hence they are acidic in nature. Now, relative acid strength can be measured by some values. These values is given by Ka and Pk. These are Ka and Pk values. This is dissociation constant at equilibrium of an acid. For example, an acid dissociates as this product. Now at equilibrium, we all know concentration of product, multiplication of concentration of product is divided by concentration of a reactant. So the value of K is directly proportional to acidity. So Ka increases, acidic characteristic increases. On the other hand, I am not going to show in detail, as pH, similar to pH, pKa is equal to minus log of Ka. So that means pKa is inversely proportional to acidity. That means pKa, if pKa increases, acidic characteristic of that particular acid is low. Now comparison, or you can say relative acidity. Say for example, CH3COOH group. This is acidic. Now if I add Cl, what happens? This is also acid, but the acid strength is increased compared to acetic acid. Compared to number 1, chloroacetic acid has increased 1. Structure number 1 has lower acidic characteristic compared to structure number 2. The reason is inductive effect, that is minus I inductive effect of Cl group. What happens? Cl is electron withdrawing group, hence it attracts the electrons towards itself, creating the inductive effect over the chain. Here the carbon atom is attracting the electron from this oxygen, hence it will easily attract these bond electrons towards oxygen and easy removal of H+ takes place. More easy removal of H+, that means more acidic characteristic. Okay, so if a minus I effect containing group is attached, it will increase the acidic characteristic. Similarly, you can consider a dichloroacetic acid or trichloroacetic acid. If I include a Cl here or here, so monochloroacetic acid, dichloroacetic acid, trichloroacetic acid will have mono, di and trichloroacetic acid. Trichloroacetic acid will be having higher acidity compared to dichloro, and which will have higher acidity compared to mono. This is because of minus I effect. On the other hand, if a group which has a plus I effect, let us say a methyl group, alkyl group which has plus I inductive effect. So here this is methanoic acid. If I attach CH3, the CH3 group has a tendency to push the electrons. Let us see, when it pushes the electron density increases on this oxygen atom. Hence, it will tend to attract this proton. As there is electronegativity, electron density increase on this oxygen, not readily removal of H plus. That means plus I effect group is attached to acid group. It will decrease the acidic characteristics. Similarly, if I attach more such group, respectively there will be decrease in the acidic characteristics. This will decrease, here also it will decrease, here also decrease. So highest acidic characteristic will be of this particular group, that acetic acid. The reason you can say plus I inductive effect of alkyl, or here you can say methyl, that is CH3. Thank you so much.